Hey everyone! Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 best teeth cleaning products you can get right now. I've tested all 5 so you can see which ones really work and which might not be worth your money. Let's dive in and find the perfect fit for your smile. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Waterpik Aquarius Water Flosser for teeth cleaning, gums, braces, dental care, electric power with 10 settings, 7 tips for multiple users and needs, ADA accepted, black WP662, packaging may vary. The Waterpik Aquarius WP662 is arguably the most recognized water flosser in the United States, especially among people looking for an effective way to clean their teeth and gums beyond traditional string floss. In the U.S. dental care market, this model has a strong reputation because it combines high power, multiple settings, and versatility for different oral care needs, making it a favorite for households, braces wearers, and anyone wanting an easier way to maintain oral health. What this product is best known for is its ability to clean deep between teeth and below the gum line using a pressurized water stream. Unlike traditional floss, which can sometimes be tricky to maneuver, the Aquarius makes it easier for American users to remove plaque and reduce gum inflammation. This is especially useful for people with braces, dental implants, or bridges, situations where string floss can be challenging to use. The 10 pressure settings let you start gentle if you have sensitive gums and go up to a more powerful setting for a thorough cleaning. In real-world U.S. homes, the Waterpik Aquarius is often part of daily oral hygiene routines. Many Americans pair it with regular brushing to improve gum health and reduce bleeding. For parents, it's handy for teaching kids proper dental care, especially as children struggle to use traditional floss effectively. It's also a great tool for adults with busy lifestyles who want a quick and reliable way to floss without spending extra time. Number 2. Costless Water Dental Flosser Teeth Pixie 20 F5020E Portable Cordless Oral Irrigator 300 ml Rechargeable Travel Irrigation Cleaner IPX7 Waterproof Electric Flossing Machine for Teeth Cleaning. The Costless C20 Water Dental Flosser is a portable, cordless alternative to traditional countertop water flossers, and it's gaining popularity in the United States for its convenience and travel-friendly design. Unlike larger models like the Waterpik Aquarius, this device is designed for Americans who want effective oral care on the go, whether that's for work trips, vacations, or just easy storage in a small apartment bathroom. What this flosser is best known for is being a fully cordless, rechargeable device with a compact design, offering targeted water flossing without the need for a bulky reservoir or permanent counter setup. It comes with a 300 ml water tank, which is plenty for a full session, and features IPX7 waterproofing, meaning it's safe to use in the shower or rinse under the sink, something US buyers who value easy cleaning and portability really appreciate. In real-world use across US homes and travel scenarios, the Costless C20 shines for people with busy lifestyles. It's easy to pack in a suitcase, carry in a gym bag, or keep in a dorm room, making it ideal for college students, frequent travelers, or anyone who doesn't want to rely on a counter-based unit. Because it's cordless, there's no need to worry about outlet placement, which is a practical advantage for small apartments or older homes with limited bathroom plug access. Another strength for American buyers is its simple, user-friendly interface. Most users can operate it with one hand, press the power button, adjust the pressure setting, and go. The machine offers multiple pressure modes, usually 3, ranging from gentle to powerful, so it accommodates sensitive gums as well as those who prefer a more intense cleaning session. The Costless also comes with a set of tips for targeted cleaning, including standard and precision options, so you can clean between teeth, along the gum line, and around braces or dental work. Number 3. Nickwell Water Dental Flosser for Teeth, 4 modes and 11 pressure settings Cordless Portable Oral Irrigator, IPX7 Waterproof Rechargeable with 5 tips for braces cleaning, travel, deep teeth cleaning. The Nickwell Water Dental Flosser has become increasingly popular in the United States, especially among people looking for a highly customizable, portable solution for oral care. What sets it apart in the US market is the combination of 11 pressure settings and 4 modes, giving American users the ability to fine-tune their flossing experience depending on sensitivity, gum health, or dental work like braces and implants. This flosser is best known for its versatility. Unlike basic cordless flossers, Nickwell offers pressure settings ranging from gentle to intense, plus modes like standard, soft, pulse, and massage. This makes it perfect for Americans who want professional-level flossing at home or on the go. It's particularly appealing to those with sensitive gums, orthodontic appliances, or dental restorations, since you can adjust the pressure for safety and comfort. In real-world US use, the Nickwell flosser works well both at home and while traveling. Its cordless design and rechargeable battery make it convenient for dorm rooms, small apartments, or frequent trips. The IPX7 waterproofing means you can safely use it in the shower or rinse under running water, making cleanup simple. Many US buyers also appreciate the 5 included tips, which allow multiple users in a household or targeted cleaning around braces, implants, or hard-to-reach areas. However, there are some drawbacks. The 300 milliliter tank is slightly smaller than some other models, so long sessions or multiple users may require a refill. While powerful, some users report that the highest settings can feel a bit strong at first, especially for beginners. And because it's cordless and compact, it may feel less stable in hand compared to a countertop flosser for those who prefer a more solid, anchored feel. Number 4. H2O Floss Water Dental Flosser Teeth Pick Portable Oral Irrigator with 5 modes, rechargeable IPX7 waterproof orthodontic teeth cleaner. Pick cordless for home travel. 300 ml water tank. The H2O Floss Water Dental Flosser has carved out a strong following in the United States for its combination of portability, cordless convenience, and multiple cleaning modes. For US buyers, it's particularly appealing to those who want professional-level oral care without taking up a full countertop space or being tethered to an outlet. With 5 modes and a 300 ml water tank, it's designed to adapt to different users' needs, whether you have braces, implants, sensitive gums, or just want a deeper clean than traditional floss can provide. What this flosser is best known for is its versatility and ease of use. Unlike bulky traditional flossers, the H2O Floss cordless design allows American users to floss anywhere, from the bathroom counter to the shower or even while traveling. Its 5 modes include standard, soft, pulse, massage, and strong, which cater to a wide range of oral care requirements. Whether you're gently massaging your gums or blasting away plaque, this device gives you precise control over your cleaning experience. In real-world US use, the H2O Floss is popular for both home and travel. Its rechargeable battery ensures you can use it multiple times on a single charge, making it perfect for trips, office use, or college dorms. The IPX7 waterproof rating is a practical feature that makes cleanup simple. Just rinse it under the sink or use it safely in the shower. Many users appreciate the cordless freedom, especially in homes where bathroom counter space is limited or outlets are scarce. Number 5. Bitby C6 Water Dental Flosser for Teeth, cordless flosser for travel with 6 jet tips, 3 modes, 5 intensities, IPX7 waterproof portable and rechargeable oral irrigator cleaner. The Bitby C6 Water Dental Flosser has become increasingly popular in the United States for its portable design, versatile cleaning modes, and family-friendly features. Unlike full-size countertop units, this cordless flosser is designed for American buyers who want flexibility, travel convenience, and a thorough cleaning experience in a compact device. It's especially appealing for people with braces, implants, sensitive gums, or anyone who wants a professional-grade clean without taking up valuable bathroom counter space. What this flosser is best known for is its combination of multiple modes, adjustable intensities, and included jet tips. With 3 cleaning modes and 5 intensity levels, you can customize your flossing experience for gentle daily cleaning, deep plaque removal, or gum stimulation. The 6 included jet tips allow multiple users to share the device safely, or to target specific areas like orthodontics, bridges, or implants. This versatility makes it a standout option for households or travelers in the US who want a single device to cover multiple needs. Alright, that's a wrap on the top 5 best teeth cleaning products. Hopefully, this helps you decide which one fits your needs and budget. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews.